compare and review of the Caron Cakes right here and the Yarn Inspirations Cotton Cakes. So I'm just comparing the two and reviewing them. And if you're an avid crocheter, I'm sure you have come across these types and have probably used them. I'm putting these three for sale in my Etsy store, and so if you'd like to go there, you could purchase them there if you like. And so if you hear any backgrounds, it's my dishwasher going, so just ignore that because there is a little bit of a sound in the background. But anyways, to get started, this is the Caron Cakes, and it's 80% acrylic, 20% wool, 7.1 ounce, 200 grams, 4 medium, and 5 on the hook. And this one's called Rainbow Sprinkles. So that's the details, and it looks like they have like this kind of like a lime green, a mixed kind of speckled blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So it is a rainbow color. And there's 383 yards, 350 for the M, and then net weight. Okay, so this is the details. And the texture, I'm sure some of you have come across the Caron Cakes, it's like a medium worsted, kind of soft. I do like the rainbow for kids, that's pretty. Now the contrast comparing is the Yarn Inspirations Caron Cotton Cakes. Now I've never used this. The Caron Cakes worsted I have, but the Caron Cotton Cakes I have not. Now this is soft. It feels, of course, like cotton. And this one is for sale in my Etsy store. All links for that are listed below. So it's it's called Lavender Fields, and 5 hook for crochet, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, so there is a mix, 8.8 ounces, 250 grams, 530 yards, 485. Okay, so it's a little bit bigger. I know on this one it did say it's worth 2 balls, I think. So 2 balls. So the difference, of course, this is cotton, and the other one is wool and acrylic, and this one's 2 balls as well. So of course that's the difference. Now this one you could tell it has dark purple, light purple, like a cream, like a darker cream, green, purple, light purple, so there's a mix there. Now I'd say cotton is really great for clothes, for babies. Acrylic, of course, it's good for anything, but like blankets and that sort of thing, and shawls. This is my other one that is for sale. To start with the color, you have dark pink, pink, light pink, like a dark mauve, like dark brownish pink, reddish pink, and then pink. So it's like many varieties of pink. And this one is basically the same as the other one, 7.1 ounces, 200 grams, 80% acrylic, 20% wool, a 4 medium worsted, 5 on the hook. Cherry Chip is the name. Now these are, like I said, in my Etsy store. If anybody would like to go there and purchase them, I will ship them out as soon as possible. And these are the 3. And I'm more familiar with the Caron Cakes than I am the cotton, but the texture for the cotton is softer. They both are soft, but this one you can tell it's like more of that cotton feel to it. Alright, so I just want to do a review, and please comment down below which one's your favorite. Have a look at my Etsy store if you'd like to purchase one. And thank you for watching. Join my Facebook group and page if you'd like. And please be a subscriber and hit that notification bell so you can see my upcoming videos in the future.